Hi, this is Travis from Tenno Farms. So I showed you before in the shorts that I lost an idler pulley on the mower. The bearings went out on it. That one right there. So I decided I was going to go ahead and replace that, and while it was in there, I'm going to replace some of the other ones too, because they're starting to get a little wobbly. You can see this one is here, and this one on the other side is kind of bad too. So I'm going to replace both of those with the one that went bad, put some brand new ones on. And what I got are these 810 brand. I used the same brand for the spindles before, and I've been happy with them. So they've got a 2-year warranty on them. I found them on eBay. You can get them from Walmart.com. You can get them from Amazon. You can get them directly from the company. But they seem to be pretty good stuff. At least so far, I've been happy with their products. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on and fix the mower so I can mow. It's October already, but the grass still does need cut probably at least one more time. So this will be good to go ahead and get it done and get another mow in this year. So I'll show you what it looks like here after I get them on. The nut that goes on these idler pulleys takes a 3/4 socket, 3/4 inch. So that's what I'm going to use here and put this back on, and then do the other ones too. I'm going to do the 2 idlers, and then I'm also going to do the tensioner pulley because it seems a little wobbly. It took a little work, but I got them in there. I had 3 replacements. I actually have 4 pulleys, but only 3 new ones. So I took the 3 that were in the worst shape and got them replaced here. As you can see, they're much tighter now. Nice and smooth. Only a tiny bit of wobble to them. Here's the tensioner. Really good there too. I had to use a 3/4 on the top and a 3/4 on the bottom for those two. Oddly enough, this one over here, let me see if I can get the phone in here for you. See how much better that is now too. This one was 3/4 on the top, but I had to use an 11/16 on the head underneath. So I don't know what was up with that. I don't know if somebody replaced the bolt at some point or if it's just worn a little bit, but the 11/16 fit pretty well. So it was kind of strange. But I've got them all on there now, so now I just gotta put the belt back on and should be ready to mow again. The other 2 old pulleys over here, not really that bad. I'm gonna hold on to them in case I throw another one. So those 2 are usable, but I'd just rather replace them when I've got new ones, so that way they give me the least amount of problems going forward. And of course, there's the one that totally shredded. All right, I'm gonna put the belt back on and get the tension off of this, or on this now, I should say. Got the belt back on now. That's always kind of tough, but everything looks good. It's moving like it should. Everything's nice and tight. And you can kind of see the routing there. Goes around the tensioner, around the outside spindle, around that idler, and then back up front on the spindle, and then the same on the other side over there. And then of course you use your breaker bar and your 3/4 right there, and just push on it to move it. I can't really get leverage while I got the camera, but you get the idea. Good to get those replaced. And just got to put the guards back on it, and we're ready to mow. Thanks for watching.